Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start class 10th maths science group. Exercise 1.1 question number 1. Let's see. Question number 1 related to quadratic equation, and also the name of this chapter is quadratic equation. First of all, we will discuss what is the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. First term having power 2 like variable x equals to x raised to power 2, plus second term is bx, b is coefficient and x is a variable, plus c is a constant term equals to 0. That is the standard form of quadratic equation, and we have converted this question into this form. And also you have to told about pure quadratic equation. Let's see what is the pure quadratic equation. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. For example, you will skip this term bx term, and left term is ax square plus c equals to 0. So it is known as a pure quadratic equation. Let's see. Question number 1. Write the following quadratic equations in standard form and point out pure quadratic equation. So first part is let's see its solution. First of all, you have to multiply by to each other x multiplied by x minus 3, so plus sign, and 7 multiplied by x minus 3 equals to minus 7. Now you have to multiply, you have to get x square minus 3x plus 7x minus 21 equals to minus 7. Now x square plus minus minus 7 minus 3 plus 4x, bigger numbers having the sign of plus, so you have to put plus with 4x minus 21, so shift minus 7 to left side, then its sign will be changed and it will be equals to 0. Now x square plus 4x written as it is minus 21 plus 7, it will be equals to minus 14 equals to 0. Now you have to convert the standard form of quadratic equation. It is not pure quadratic equation because bx term means 4x term is present here. It is standard form of quadratic equation. Now let's see, we will start the part number 3rd. Third part is in fraction form. So first of all, you have to remove the fraction. So it take the LCM of denominator. Its LCM is x into x plus 1. So multiply by x into x plus 1 on both sides. Then you can write, so multiply by x plus 1. So x plus 1 cancel with this term. Now x into x plus 1 multiply by second term x plus 1 by x. So x cancel with x. Now 6 multiply by x into x plus 1. Now write the remaining terms here. So x square plus x plus 1, x plus 1 written here 2 times. So write in whole square x plus 1 whole square. Now 6x multiplied by x plus 1, so 6x square plus 6x. Now you have to open the square of this. You have to apply here formula of a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. X square plus 2x plus 1. Take the square of 1, it will be equals to 1. Now shift right side values to left side, then its sign will be changed. Minus change into plus and plus change into minus. So it will be equals to 0. Now x square plus x square, its coefficient is 1. So 1 plus 1 to 2x square minus 6x square, and 2x minus 6x minus 4x square because biggest number having the sign of minus. So plus 1 written as it is. Now minus 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Now you have to convert into plus, so you have to multiply by minus on both sides. Then you have to get 4x square plus 4x and minus 1 equals to 0. Bx term is present here, so you can write here it is the standard form of quadratic equation like this. Now we will start the next part number 4. Now it is also in fraction form. So first of all, you have to remove the fraction. Its denominator is x and x minus 2. So you have to take the LCM of denominator x into x minus 2. So multiply by x into x minus 2 on both sides. So each term multiply by x into x minus 2 multiply by x plus 4 by x minus 2. So same term will be cancelled. Now x into x minus 2 x minus 2 into or multiply x minus 2 by x. So x will be cancelled. Now plus 4 multiply by x into x minus 2 equals to 0. There is no space, so I will write here 0 multiply by x into x minus 2, then whole term will be 0. So write the remaining term, x minus 2 written here 2 times, so write in whole square. Now 4x square minus 8x equals to 0. Now x multiply by x square plus 4x. Now open the whole square, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x square minus 2x plus 4. Now plus 4x square minus 8x written as it is equals to 0. Now x square plus 4x, outside is minus, then inside sign will be changed when you will open the bracket, plus 2x minus 4 plus 4x square written as it is minus 8x equals to 0. Now x square cancel with x square because its sign is plus and its sign is minus. Both are having opposite sign, so it will be cancelled. Now remaining is 4x square. Now 4x plus 2x, 6x minus 8x minus 4 equals to 0. Now 4x square minus 2x, because biggest number having the sign of minus, so minus 4 equals to 0. Now you have to convert into standard form of quadratic equation. Check that bx term is present here, so it is not pure quadratic equation. It is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now you have to complete question number 1. Allah Hafiz.